Hello, I will give you a tutorial on how to cook claw soup. The ingredients are shallot, garlic, salt, pepper, tomato, carrots, celery, scallion, and chicken. First, we cut the shallot and garlic. Then, we will grind all these ingredients. After that, we cut the tomatoes into 4 parts. The scallion, celery, carrots we cut also. Cut the chicken too, and we clean the nails first. Now we mash the ingredients, which we will use as a spice. After the spices is smooth, prepare enough water and put the butter into the heated pan. Add the ground spices to the pan and stir until the spices start to smell good. Then, add the cleaned chicken to the pan and stir until evenly distributed. If so, put the water that has been prepared into the pan. Also, put the chopped vegetables into the pan. After that, enter the seasoning. Put the celery and the scallions into the pot. We wait for the soup to cook. Hey, now let's taste the broth. And ready to be served.